Hello students, welcome to Wbcs classes. In today's video, we will be discussing from question number 16 to question number 21 from the general studies section of competitive examinations. So this is our continuation of our previous videos. This is a video series on general studies. Now coming to the question number 16 directly, who was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? So who was the first elected Muslim president of Indian National Congress? So out of the four options given, Badruddin Tayabji was the first elected Muslim president of Indian National Congress, and he was elected in the Madras session of Indian National Congress of 1887. So he was elected in the year of 1887 in the Madras session. So he was elected in the Madras session of 1887, Badruddin Tayabji. Coming to the next question, question number 17. The exhaustion of soil fertility is the result of four options are given. Number 1, cover cropping. Option 2, multiple cropping. Option 3, rotation cropping. Option 4, overcropping. So overcropping is our answer for question number 17. Overcropping is the reason. So the exhaustion of soil fertility is the result of overcropping. So overcropping is the reason behind the exhaustion of soil fertility. So decline of soil fertility often results from overcropping. Hence our option 4 is correct. Coming to the next question, question number 18. The first Muslim king who was invaded South India was, as you all know, that Alauddin Khilji was the first Muslim king who invaded South India. So option 4 is correct for question number 18. To give you additional information about the first Muslim king who invaded South India, so let me tell the story behind this. So after his massive success in the north, Alauddin Khilji turned his mighty hands to conquer the states lay in the south and southwest states in India. So Alauddin Khilji entered into the India, first conquering the states of northern India, and then he started moving towards south and southwestern India. His Deccan campaigns or his South Indian campaigns were mostly carried out by Malik Kafur. So Malik Kafur carried out most of his Deccan campaigns, and the Deccan policy of Alauddin Khilji was primarily based on economic motives. So what was Alauddin Khilji's motive to conquer the southern part of India? It was solely dependent on economic motives, solely guided by economic motives. So Alauddin Khilji was the first Muslim king who invaded South India, and Malik Kafur was in the charge of executing his campaign in the Deccan portion of India. Now coming to the next question, question number 19. The Great Bath located in Mohenjo-daro is our correct option. So in Mohenjo-daro you will get to see the Great Bath. So this is a structure. The Great Bath is one of the best known structure actually among the ruins of the Indus Valley. So what is still left in the from the Indus Valley civilization at Mohenjo-daro, which is currently located in the Sindh province of Pakistan, the Great Bath is one of the best known structures there, and also it is called as the earliest public water tank of the ancient world. So this is the Great Bath is the earliest public water tank of ancient world. So the Great Bath was located at Mohenjo-daro, which is the largest site in the Indus Valley civilization, and it was a great structure which is actually a structure of water reserve or water tank, the Great Bath. Now coming to the next question. Question number 20. The Mughal judicial system was based on Islamic law. So Islamic law is our correct answer for question number 20. That the judicial system of Mughal was based on Islamic law. However, while criminal cases continued to be decided according to the Islamic law in all the cases, Hindu law was administered in deciding civil and religious disputes in which parties were Hindus. So when dealing with Hindus, the law used there was the Hindu laws, but overall, if you see overall in the Mughal judicial system, the Muslim or the Islamic law was on the show. So what was the prevalent law in the Mughal judicial system? Was Islamic law, but Hindu law was also used to deal with the Hindu religious people. Coming to the next question, question number 21. Hurricanes are generally, there are 4 options: active over the land, traveling in families, dust storms, active over the sea. So this is a very easy question, that is, hurricane is always active over the sea. So if you don't know what hurricane actually is, a hurricane is a type of tropical cyclone. So this is a hurricane is a type of tropical cyclone. So this is a type of tropical cyclone or severe tropical storm that forms in the southern Atlantic Ocean. So you can see hurricanes in the southern Atlantic Ocean, and also you can see the hurricanes in the Caribbean Sea and Gulf of Mexico and the East Pacific Ocean as well. So hurricane is prevalent in the Caribbean Sea, Southern Atlantic Ocean, Gulf of Mexico and the Eastern Pacific Ocean. So hurricane is basically active over the sea. So these were all for today's video. In the next few videos we will be solving more questions from the general studies section of competitive examinations. If you have any doubt or any queries, you can feel free to call us in this number 9836 793076, or you can send us email at shouravsir@gmail.com. We are always there for you to help, to get any kind of help. Please feel free to call us, or you can send us email. Thank you.